So imagine your manufacturing organizations, your plants are distributed across all continents. Even within a plant, you may have multiple buildings and production lines. All of this is an international, very difficult system to make work day in, day out, right? And you can get things wrong at all times, at any time. And so Agentic AI plays has a great value to add in helping teams make better decisions and leverage that existing knowledge wherever it may sit in the organization. So taking a picture or video, describing an issue on a shop floor, and having an agent provide them what is the state of the art of knowledge of my organization to help me solve this problem better and faster, instead of starting from a blank page. There's other aspects. One is how the organizations learn, right? It's the other end of that loop. Imagine I'm facing a new problem, my team is facing a new problem, I'm going to sit down, we're going to brainstorm how to solve it, test different solutions, verify their efficacy. We're going to learn things along the way, right? And what we want to be able to do is make sure that what we learned here locally becomes the global standard for the organization. So it's the opposite end of that first piece. And so AI plays a great role in detecting these opportunities to share, to update new standards, to create new standards that can be shared across the organization. And last but not least, there's a lot of patterns that exist that may be invisible to the naked eye. Because of this distributed system, teams work in shifts. A plant manager can't possibly be aware of everything that's going on. And so surfacing that information, things that may happen as a pattern across a wide scope of those operations and surfacing them as an opportunity to act on them, top down, is also a great role that Agentic CI